Alright, one thing they said, my dad used to tell me, you gotta take care of your car, simple basic maintenance. Do not let your battery cables get corroded. And if my dad was alive right now, he'd probably yell at me. So I already loosened this. And so this first cable, I'll disconnect this one. As you can tell, the back one has got a lot of battery acid build up right there. So I gotta clean it out, check out these posts, and then a buddy of mine told me what you gotta do is get it charged up again. It's a brand new battery, you shouldn't have to deal with that. But if that's the case, I'll do what I gotta do. Alright. So I wiped down the corrosion off the batteries, cables, so I'm just gotta make sure they're flush and flat with the battery and tighten everything up and close it up. And the engine's good to go, so we're set. Sometimes just a little just wiping things down, and there's a spiritual lesson in this, you know. Sometimes if our power connection, our battery to the Lord through prayer, through reading our word, through love, the love of Jesus, if it's not connecting right, we're going to have problems in our salvation walk. We're not going to love the right way and help people the right way and just love God the right way. So that was the lesson. That's one of the lessons, besides make sure your batteries, use soda to clean off the batteries if you have problems with it. Alright, until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.